Every year, I review popular spy apps to see what's changed, what new features have been added, and whether they are still worth using. Today, I'm reviewing uMobix in 2026 to help you decide whether it's reliable this year or if you should consider other alternatives. The biggest update in 2026 is that uMobix no longer supports iPhones. It has officially become an Android-only monitoring app. So if your child uses an iPhone, you can skip this one and check out my recommendations for the best iPhone spy apps instead. However, if your child uses an Android device, whether it's Samsung, Google Pixel, OnePlus, or any other Android brand, then this review is for you. Make sure to watch till the end. As mentioned, uMobix now only works exclusively on Android devices. It supports phones running Android 4 and above, which means it's compatible with most Android smartphones currently in use. The installation process remains simple just like before. The app offers an automatic setup along with a detailed step-by-step video guide to help you install it on the target device. In addition, they have introduced a new paid remote installation service, where their team assists you in installing the app remotely on the target phone, making the setup even easier for non-technical users. Once the app is installed, you can log into your dashboard from either your computer or your smartphone. From there, you can monitor all devices. The dashboard layout hasn't changed much this year. It's still clean, simple, and easy to navigate. All important information is visible at a glance. If you want more detailed insights, you can access each monitoring feature from the left side menu. One of the first sections you'll notice is the Unread tab. This section displays the latest activities and notifications that you haven't checked yet, along with the apps that are currently online. It's especially useful because it lets you quickly see what's been happening on the phone as soon as you log in, so you don't miss any recent activity. Once you review the updates, they automatically disappear from the Unread section. Let's start with one of uMobix's strong features, social media monitoring. This is where the app truly stands out. uMobix allows you to monitor popular platforms like WhatsApp, Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook remotely. And the best part is, it doesn't require rooting or jailbreaking the device. Instead of simply pulling chat logs, uMobix captures full-screen screenshots whenever the target user interacts with these apps. This means you can see conversations, likes, comments, shared media, and other activity exactly as it appears on the phone. For WhatsApp, you get complete screenshots of chats along with timestamps. On top of that, the built-in keylogger records every word typed, even if the message is later deleted. Snapchat, which is known for disappearing messages, is also covered. uMobix captures screenshots without sending any notification to the user. It even tracks activity in the Discover section, so you can see what kind of content your child is viewing. When it comes to Instagram or Facebook, you'll see detailed screenshots of direct messages, interactions, and posts they're engaging with. In addition to monitoring social media and messaging platforms, it also keeps track of dating apps like Tinder. This allows you to see if the user has created or is actively using any dating profiles without your knowledge. And these are just a few examples. uMobix also supports other major platforms like Skype, TikTok, Telegram, Kick, YouTube, and more. Another powerful feature is the keylogger. It records everything typed on the target device: messages, search queries, usernames, and even passwords. All of this data is accessible directly from the dashboard. For parents concerned about online safety, this provides complete visibility. Simply log in, open the keylogger section, and you'll see a detailed log of every keystroke made on the device. Next is call and SMS tracking. uMobix gives you access to all incoming and outgoing calls and text messages. You can view message content, caller details, timestamps, and even deleted logs. If something is deleted, uMobix highlights it, so nothing goes unnoticed. This feature is particularly useful if you suspect someone may be hiding communication. uMobix also offers real-time GPS tracking. You can open the dashboard and see the target device's live location displayed on a map. There's also a location history feature that shows where the device has been over time. However, one limitation here is the absence of geofencing. Unlike some competitors, you can't set virtual boundaries and receive alerts when these boundaries are crossed. Still, for basic real-time tracking, it works very well. With uMobix's remote control feature, you can manage certain functions on your target phone without physically handling it. From the dashboard, you can block specific apps or websites, helpful for managing screen time or restricting harmful content. Once blocked, these apps or websites cannot be accessed on the device. Additionally, uMobix allows remote access to the device's microphone and camera. You can listen to the surroundings, view live video, or even take photos remotely. Keep in mind that these features require an active internet connection, and performance may vary depending on the network strength. uMobix also gives you full access to the device's media files. You can view all photos and videos stored on the phone, including those saved on the SD card. The dashboard updates automatically every few minutes, so newly saved or shared media, including files received via apps like WhatsApp, appear quickly. You'll see file names and timestamps, and you can play or download videos directly. There's even a picture-in-picture mode that lets you multitask while watching videos. The only minor drawback is the lack of an image zoom feature. One thing I was impressed with is how quickly uMobix syncs data. As long as the device is connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, activity updates are almost in real time. The app also runs discreetly in the background under the name Play Service and has minimal impact on performance. During testing, it consumed very little battery and didn't cause overheating or noticeable slowdowns. Customer support is another strong point. Instead of waiting for email replies, uMobix offers live chat directly inside the dashboard. When I encountered an issue during testing, I contacted support through the chat feature and received a response within seconds. The representative was helpful, patient, and resolved the issue quickly. Overall, the support experience was smooth and professional. Now, let's move on to the pricing. uMobix offers 3 flexible subscription plans depending on how long you want to use the service. The monthly plan costs $49.99 if you prefer a short-term option. If you're looking for something more affordable, the 3-month plan brings down the cost to $29.99 per month. However, the best value comes with a 12-month plan, which reduces the price to just $12.49 per month. Keep in mind that pricing may vary during special promotions or seasonal discounts, so it's always a good idea to visit the official website to check the latest deals before making your decision. Before you decide whether uMobix is right for you, here's a quick breakdown of its strengths and limitations. One of its biggest advantages is real-time data syncing, so you're not waiting hours for updates. It also works on Android devices without requiring root access, which makes the installation much simpler and safer for most users. Social media monitoring is another strong point, especially with its screenshot-based tracking system that shows activity exactly as it appears on the device. The dashboard is clean and easy to navigate, making it beginner-friendly. On top of that, the responsive live chat support ensures you can quickly get help if you run into any issues. On the downside, uMobix does not offer a geofencing feature, so you can't set virtual boundaries or receive alerts when those areas are crossed. It also lacks a call recording feature, which some competing apps provide. Overall, uMobix remains a solid parental control app in 2026. It is user-friendly, reliable, and particularly strong in social media monitoring. While it does miss a few advanced features like geofencing and call recording, it performs exceptionally well in areas that matter most to many parents. If you're unsure, you can explore the demo available on their website. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews.